Running out of windshield wiper fluid can make it difficult to remove dirt, mud, and bugs from your windshield, reducing visibility. A low fluid level can also make it harder to keep the glass clean in rain or dusty conditions. Fortunately, refilling windshield wiper fluid is a simple task that can quickly restore your washer system's performance. Start by parking your vehicle on a flat surface and turning off the engine. Let the engine cool down so hot components can safely cool. This helps ensure safety while working under the hood. Once the vehicle is parked, locate the hood release lever inside the car. Pull the lever to release the hood. Next, move to the front of the vehicle and lift the hood completely. Use the hood support rod if your vehicle has one. Some newer vehicles have hydraulic supports that hold the hood open automatically. Now look for the windshield washer fluid reservoir. This container is usually made of white or translucent plastic and often has a cap marked with a windshield or water spray symbol. The reservoir is typically near the front of the engine bay. In many vehicles, the cap is blue, but the color may vary depending on the manufacturer. If you are unsure about its location, check your vehicle owner's manual for guidance. Once you find the reservoir, open the cap carefully. Take a quick look inside to check the fluid level. Many reservoirs are transparent enough to allow you to see the fluid level from the outside. If the fluid is low or empty, it is time to refill it. Take your windshield washer fluid and slowly pour it into the reservoir. Avoid filling the reservoir with plain water unless it is an emergency. Water does not clean as effectively as washer fluid and may freeze in cold temperatures, potentially damaging the washer system. Proper windshield washer fluid contains cleaning agents that help remove dirt, grease, bugs, and other contaminants from the windshield. If you are using a washer fluid additive, read the package instructions carefully to ensure you use the correct amount. Some windshield washer fluids come pre-mixed and are ready to use, so they can be poured directly into the reservoir without adding water. Always check the label to determine whether the product is concentrated or ready to use before filling the reservoir. However, some additives are concentrated and need to be diluted with water before use. Using a clean funnel if needed, slowly pour the recommended amount of additive into the washer fluid reservoir, and then add the required amount of water. Fill the reservoir to the recommended level, being careful not to overfill. After filling the reservoir, securely close the cap. Make sure it snaps into place properly. A loose cap can allow dirt and debris to enter the reservoir, which may affect the washer system's performance. Once the cap is closed, lower the hood carefully and make sure it latches securely. Now it is time to test the washer system. Sit in the driver's seat and start the vehicle. Activate the windshield washer controls, which are usually located on the wiper stalk near the steering wheel. Press or pull the control according to your vehicle's design. You should see washer fluid spray onto the windshield while the wipers move across the glass. If the fluid sprays properly, the refill was successful. If no fluid comes out, check the reservoir again to ensure it contains fluid. You may also need to inspect the washer nozzles for clogs or check for leaks in the system. Sometimes dirt or debris can block the nozzles and prevent proper spraying. It is a good idea to check your windshield washer fluid level regularly, especially before long trips or during seasons when you use it more often. Dusty roads, rainy weather, and snow can cause the fluid to run out faster than expected. Keeping the reservoir topped up helps ensure clear visibility whenever you need it. By following these simple steps, you can easily refill your windshield wiper fluid and keep your washer system working properly. With just a few minutes of effort, you can make every drive safer and more comfortable.